Cold water versus warm water. One of them is damaging to your health. Most people come to have a cup of coffee or a cold cup of water just upon awakening. But it turns out that in order to get the greatest benefits from drinking liquid in the morning, you should enjoy a cup of hot water instead. Multiple studies have shown that drinking hot water on an empty stomach offers a lot of health benefits and is one of the best ways to start your day to get maximum productivity. Here is a brief list of some of those health benefits. 1. Relieves pain. Drinking hot water has the ability to reduce swelling in the throat, which in turn provides temporary relief of pain. In fact, it does wonders for irritated and dry throats, too. This is especially useful in the mornings when you wake up with a dry throat that causes pain when swallowing. Surprisingly, a noticeable improvement can be experienced after taking the first sip of hot water. Ultimately, hot water also relieves cramps by relaxing the muscles of the stomach. 2. Improves bowel movements. A study by the Journal of Neurogastroenterology and Motility has shown that up to 58% of patients suffering from achalasia, a condition in which the muscles of the lower esophagus do not relax, experienced a noticeable improvement in their condition after drinking hot water. Drinking a glass of warm water on an empty stomach is a good way to stimulate the colon to move the intestines easier. In addition, it sets the body for better absorption of food during the day. 3. Improves circulation. Drinking hot water improves blood flow in the body's circulatory system. It has been scientifically proven that when the body is exposed to hot temperature, the blood cell flow initially raises by a dramatic amount. Then, it returns to normal blood flow velocity and begins to increase gradually more time is exposed to warmth. Hot water basically improves circulation by heating the body from the inside. 4. Weight loss. While staying well hydrated is generally beneficial for weight loss, it turns out that taking it warm is the best way to consume this liquid. In a study conducted by the Journal of Natural Science, Biology and Medicine focused on a group of overweight women who were given a lot of hot water. At the end of the study, it was found that women had experienced a noticeable decrease in appetite, weight and body mass index. Why is drinking cold water bad for you? Having a glass of cold water on a hot summer day is one of the best feelings of all. In fact, it helps to cool down in a matter of seconds, but does many other things to your body at the same time. Unfortunately, those things are not good for you.